Good morning, everyone. This is Sugandha, and since today is Monday, I'm back with a short video on the weekly prediction. This is your prediction for the week ahead, and this time I've chosen three different cards. So this is the pile number one with the beautiful solicite high vibration energy. This is the pile number two with the clear quartz, and this is pile number three with a labradorite rough chunk on top. And all the rules are very simple. It's like what we do every time. Just take three deep breaths, center yourself, calm yourself down, and select a pile. Select a pile that you're intuitively drawn to, and that will be your message. Now, these are timeless messages. Sometimes, even if you see this video after a long time, it will make sense to you at that point because, like I always say, there is never a wrong card. So if you've chosen your piles already, let's move on to what the piles say to you. So if you've chosen pile number one, you have umbrella from the Enigma cards. From the tarot, we have the Page of Cups. This is Lightseer's Tarot. I'm addicted to this deck at the moment. And the Angel cards from Diana Cooper. So your first card, the umbrella. The umbrella speaks of protection. It speaks of having systems in place. It also speaks of supervision, of surveillance, of governance. So this is a time when you're protected from any kind of harm. You also and if you're doing things your way, maybe this is a time to come back to the system, do things the way they are to be done. And with the umbrella also comes in an element of supervising all that's going on around you. So ensure that you keep your eyes open and you're aware of whatever is happening. From the tarot, I have the Page of Cups. Page of Cups tells me that this week emotions are going to be at play, loads and loads of emotions, but ensure that they are happy ones because Page of Cups is young, he's alive, he's enjoying life. So you need to be, you need to be more in touch with the child inside you, with your inner child, and find and enjoy the simple things in life, the simple joys of life. The message from the angel says cooperation. So this card is pretty much self-explanatory, but it says angel wisdom suggests that you use your skills and talents for the common good. Eliminate all sorts of power struggles. Not a time to get into ego hassles, conflicts, and competitions. If you cooperate, if you work as a team, it'll promote harmony, togetherness, and make it your aim that everyone has a sense of satisfaction from the work done. So cooperation for this week, try and consider what other people think, what other people need, and I think you should be on the right track. And that's exactly what children do as well. Children are aware. They're very aware of the emotions. Children immediately know when you look at them angrily or whether you look at them lovingly, right? And these emotions will keep you protected and only be aware of your surroundings. Basically, the solicite here tells me that you need to keep your vibrations pretty high. And how do you keep your vibrations pretty high? By being positive. So that is the message for you for this week. If you've chosen the pile number two, let's see what the cards are for you. We have the full moon, which has just gone, and we have the 10 of cups, again a cup card. So emotions are definitely at play, and beginnings. So if you've chosen pile number two, then the full moon tells me of ultimate power, amplification, manifestation, completion of things, dreams, transformation. And strangely, the crystal that I was drawn to when working with this pile is the clear quartz. Clear quartz is a natural clear quartz is a natural amplifier of energy, and that's exactly what full moon does. Full moon also amplifies all sorts of energy. It also brings completion to the cycle of the moon. So this is about completing your task. This is about amplifying your efforts this week. And if we look at the tarot card, it is 10 of cups. So emotionally, this is going to be a brilliant week for you. You will be satisfied in your relationships. You would be happy. You would feel complete. You would have everybody who you love around you, or you will have the love coming in. Basically, you're going to be in a very happy space emotionally. The card that is from the angels is about beginnings. It says that life is a series of cycles and a time of rebirth is indicated for you. Remember that we've just seen the full moon, and full moon is all about completion. So new beginnings. With the new moon comes the new beginnings are going to come for you. And this could mean that if you're single, you could be getting into a new relationship, or your relationships could go to the next level. Do not be afraid, because once things complete, you seek new energy. So be open to the new energies coming to you, and things are going to work just fine for you. Do when you're going through the video, do take pause for a second and read the message from the angels. They are pretty self-explanatory, and I think it works wonderfully with the full moon energy. If you choose on pile number 3, you have the Labradorite pile, and we have from Enigma cards, we have the crystal. Okay, no wonder I was drawn to work with crystal energy. 5 of Cups and positivity. So if you're working with or if you've been drawn to the pile number 3, then the crystal tells me that there could be core issues that you need to work on. There also could be hidden treasures, depending on what your thought process is right now. If you're feeling very low lately, then there are certain issues that you need to think about. You need to get to the root of your problems. If you're having arguments with somebody, if your love life is not going very well, most likely there is a reason that is constantly you're fighting on, and it's kind of growing. So you need to find the root cause of things and need to work on that. When you look for the root, when you look for what is if when you look within, if you have been at the root of all your worries and all your issues, you need to sort that out first. The 5 of Cups tells me that this week could be a little not a very happy week in terms of relationships. You could get into arguments, you could get into confrontation. The whole idea of getting guidance for the week is to avoid that if possible, and control your emotions this week. Also, the 5 of Cups tells me that you could be thinking very negatively. You could be you could be just waiting to get into confrontations or aggression of any kind. Don't let that happen. Keep your emotional challenges in check by keeping your emotional balance. And then we have the positivity card, which kind of pretty much clears the whole thing. The card says that when you're positive, you keep directing a stream of high vibration energy with your thoughts, words and actions. So that's exactly what you need to do this week. You need to be positive to ensure that everything around you catches the same vibration or vibrates at the same level. And the crystal that I pulled out for this particular pile is the Labradorite, and Labradorite is actually a pretty magical crystal. A lot of people who practice magic love Labradorites around them. This one is a rough chunk, so it doesn't look that pretty. Labradorite is stunning because it has these shades of these rainbow shades, and it's amazing. So but it has a very nice and subtle energy, and it's extremely protective and extremely vibrant at the same time. So I think that's what you need to be. That is the kind of energy that you need to have this week, and just keep your emotions balanced, and things should work absolutely fine for you. So this was your weekly guidance, and I hope it resonates with you. Do let me know in the comment box what you think about it, and if you would like to see more videos. If you've not subscribed to the channel yet, please do that. And you can follow me also on my Facebook page, which is Sugandha Chadda Shashank. And if you need to see, or you need to learn about something, you need to know about something, anything metaphysical, anything magical, do let me know. I'm going to be around, and I'll quickly make a video about it. Hope you have a great week ahead.